Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to test the metahuman we created earlier, named Eve, focusing mainly on facial expression control. Let's take a look at the overall effect first. It looks pretty good. It's a 100% recreation of the original game characters. Shape and details. Okay, let's test its. Facial expression controls. This is the initial state. Let's create a smiling. Face. With the corners of the mouth turned up. Then, let's look at the chin. Good. That works. There's an issue here. The faceboard in Unreal Engine has limitations. It cannot achieve coordinated movement across multiple controls. And, natural expression requires the coordinated movement of multiple controls. It's a case of pull one hair and the whole body moves. Without this coordination, it results in unnatural expressions. For example, this expression looks a bit unnatural. However, our main goal today is to demonstrate Later, we'll use the Physique plugin to test things out and try creating some more natural expressions. Okay, let's take another look at the full body, this foot. Looks a bit unnatural because it's in a high-heeled pose, so the shape isn't quite right. Okay, that's it for today's video. See you next time.